Hi friends, in this month I am trying to find best WordPress theme in all business category. In this video I have simple yet effective multi-purpose WordPress theme, and you can create amazing website using this theme, and the theme is called Movedo, and it is a responsive multi-purpose WordPress theme, and it has got very good number of sales as of now and very good reviews from the existing users. This is why I have chosen this theme to be on this channel, and it is coming from Gravity, and they are init author at themeforest.net. So I am going to create a demo website using Movedo WordPress theme, and we will discuss rest of the things during the video. Don't skip any part of this video, and I am sure you are not skipping any video on this channel and you have already subscribed this channel. If not, subscribe this channel and press the bell button as well, because if you are anyhow connected to WordPress website, I am bringing all great resources that you actually need for WordPress websites. So let us start installing Movedo WordPress theme, and I have this fresh installation of WordPress, and it is using the default WordPress theme 2024, and I will upload the theme Movedo. First of all, I am using this cPanel based hosting plan, and I'll show you the theme pack as well. In the theme pack, you are going to get this installable theme file. It is showing 23 MB. And the child theme is also here, Revolution Slider, and I can see all these things. And this is the installable theme file. What I'll do, I will try to install and upload the theme directly from WordPress interface. However, the theme file size is 25 MB. So if somehow it does not works, we need to upload the theme directly to the file manager. At cPanel based hosting plan or any hosting plan, you are going to get this access on the file manager certainly. And for the base hosting plan, you have to follow the video description link at WP Themes website. You can export the hostings, and for buying the theme, again the links in the description, and you have to buy the theme at themeforest.net. And Movedo responsive multipurpose theme is the name, and we can now start the installation. So this is appearance, themes, add new theme, upload theme, and here we need to choose the installable theme file. That is movedo.zip. As I said, the size is a bit high. Generally, I used to install theme from the WordPress interface having size less than 15 MB. This theme particularly have 25 MB in size, and let's see if it works. I mean, if the front end, the WordPress theme installer interface works. For me, at least for this hosting that I am using a shared hosting plan, and you can also avail the same. And yes, it has been uploaded. So 25 MB got uploaded in just few seconds. This is the beauty of hosting plan, in fact, and even it depends on internet speed. We will go to the theme page. Movedo is here. It is version 3.6.1. When you will order the theme, you will certainly get an updated version depending upon the updates. Yes. So theme is being updated regularly, and I am using the latest version, hasn't it? And the theme came into existence in 2016, and regular updates are here. So let us activate the theme. And upon activation, we have this alert that we need to install certain plugins in order to get the complete functionality. Note: Movedo official solution recommend theme updates using the Movedo marketing. Okay. And you can now update the theme in Movedo. That is fine. So begin installing plugins is the next step. And I have 8 plugins. Movedo extension, if we can try to install this plugin. Okay, and we install successfully and activate WP Weekly. And So WP Bakery is a page builder that has been used. Contact Form 7 as usual, Invato Market, HubSpot, all in one marketing forms, pop-up and light up. Okay, that is fine. Movedo, dummy importers, Revolution slider is here, and WooCommerce. So all great plugins, and I'll try to install all these REST plugins in a single attempt. If it works, we can go for next step after installing the plugins. So 7 plugins are being installed. I'm assuming being installed. Let us see how it works. And I just wanted to show you the exact time it is taking and how it appears while installing the plugin. We can wait a while. Yes, all got installed without any trouble. All green marks here. And now I'm coming back to the plugin installer screen. This time I'm selecting all again to activate all the installed plugins. It's going to be so simple, super simple, but yes, you have to follow the exact steps that I am following to install the theme in the proper manner, to install the plugins in proper manner. It is necessary to have the adequate and the complete website. Okay, so I have now a status tab, we can see here, and it is going to show the just when complete the progress part. I am back here on the welcome page. We can check the status first. This is showing the hosting status and all credentials looks good here. I have already optimized the hosting parameters. You can see all green marks here. And next, I can say the custom sidebars import demo is the next step. Meanwhile, when we can proceed, import demo, import on demand, full import. Okay. And we have this link. But yes, we can refresh this page just to check how our website is now looking with the theme and all setup plugins. So this is the basic look. To proceed further, we can check Movedo offers you 2 options to import the content and theme. In the first one, the import on demand, you can import a specific POI. Okay. The second one, okay, so let us click on this. How it works. Please note the following. Import process will work based on the theme installation. Yes, we have theme installation. Ensure all needed plugins have been already installed. Yes, we have installed. The import to import one op hardware, select all or some of the options, any demo, and press the import button. Okay, that we will. And keep in mind, do not run the importer twice without cleaning your data first. Okay. Once you start the process, please leave it running and uninterrupted. After the import, the status will be displayed with the results. Okay, that is fine. Okay, so this is the status of server status, and recommended server settings we have already completed, and we can choose the demo at this stage. Okay, great. Movedo and main demo, the Movedo corporate demo, yes. Small store, creative agency, freelancer, the construction, travel case, the personal case, and in fact many. So you can choose any of these demo. And of course, it is a multi-purpose WordPress theme, and we have multiple options as well. I am choosing the very first one, considering it the default one. You can choose as per your requirements. So I am going to export the demo. Okay. Okay, this is good. And on demand is here. And okay, so as it was mentioned, we have 2 options to import the demo content. Either we can select what actually we want to import at our installation, it is on-demand demo. And the second option is here, so import full demo, main demo. So we will go with this one, and we can select all these, and I'll simply click on import full demo. And I believe the import process is begin, and it is also showing the progress, and the timer is also running here. So don't close the browser or navigate away. Yes, we have to be patient on this screen. We cannot refresh the page. We cannot hit the back button while the demo import process is going on. But yes, what we can do in another tab, we can open the media library just to check whether we are getting the images. If we are getting images, we can conclude that the demo import is going fine. Yes, placeholder images are here. It means we are not going to get the actual images. It doesn't matter, we have to upload our own images ultimately. But yes, the demo import process is going fine, and I can refresh this page just to check the increment. Yes, so it is increasing. That means the demo is working fine. And we have to wait. Let us see how much time it takes. And attach imported 753 attachments is to be imported. Okay, it is going to take time actually. So only 10 as of now in 1 minute 8 seconds. So you can easily calculate the time span it is going to take. But yes, we have to show our patience because we don't have any alternative. Okay, so this is the cool message that I can see on the screen. It is simply saying import completed. But I must tell you, I skipped recording important point. There was an unexpected error. It was saying that occurred during the import process after 6 minutes that I failed to record, and I just repeated the process after I checking. I don't need media items, so rest of things has been imported, and now I can see the website is here, is complete. However, some images are missing. Placeholder images can be seen here, but yes, website is complete in all respects. I got this video element image, and this is a wonderful website, no doubt. So I'll show you internal pages. Images might not be there, but yes, the content is here. So we are going to use our own images, and it is good that we have got all the contents. However, I can see the page. So pages are here about me, the services, and all the pages that we need for our website, that is for business corporate websites, is available here. And the liquid elements is really very good. Okay, it's good. I can see this one is really very good. So in the next move, we have to check what we got in this demo import. What are the features available in the backend? And I'll set this permalink first of all, and I will change the permalink before I show you rest of the things. In the settings, permalinks, post name, save changes. That's it. And now I can refresh this page. It is clear now. Okay, wonderful. So we got this complete website. Demo import remained successful, and we have this complete website, and it is really very good. So it is presenting the content in a very, very modern and a specific manner, and you can go with this theme without any doubt. Now I can conclude, and now I'm going to show you the rest of the things what is available with the theme. Welcome and status. I have already shown you import demos. We have already used theme plugins. Yes, so I am going to show you the theme options first of all. Very quickly, I'll show you all the screens so that you may get an idea what actually you can do with the theme. This is general setting. This is layout, custom container, and theme background image and all basic things. Logos can be changed from this screen. Top bar options, header options like a sticky header, responsive header, a safe bottom area and bottom footer areas, blog options, the single post page options, and the search portfolio, WooCommerce, single product search settings, events calendar, single event, BB forum, typography options. We can change everything. Headers, typographies, title descriptions, feature sections, extras, and the styling options. This is color scheme, and you can simply change the color of complete website. Social media accounts, map options, 404, miscellaneous settings, login settings. Okay, this is also good. And the button settings like priority button, shape, and all. And coming soon, media sizes, privacy cookies, utilities, like theme performance, we can simply enhance the speed and all basic things. We don't need additional plugin and the theme update options. Okay, so it is really good, and we have the complete control on our website through these options. Wonderful. And for rest of things like portfolio items can be handled through this additional tab. What you have to do, you have to trace all those items that you are not going to use at your live website. And like you have to edit all these testimonials, or you have to delete whatever you are not going to use. Like area items can be seen, footer, intro page, illustrator footer, whatever is applicable for you, you can edit from here. Next, I can show you the HubSpot. This is marketing area where you can set rest of the things coming from the HubSpot plugin itself, and it is really good. And the payment options, show commerce and its associates, the page builder settings, the Movedo demo we have already used. Slider evolution is also here, and I can show you if any content is available. Yes, some sliders are here. If slider is being used at your home, you can edit from here. So I think it is a wonderful theme, and we have all the controls as well. And for editing the content, page contents, we can simply use the WP Bakery. Okay, so got it. Okay, let's find. So we can use this WP Bakery page builder for editing the content, and it is a very easy to use page editor. WP Bakery is well known as well. And what you have to keep in mind while editing the page content, you can use the same dimension of images and same length of text, and it is going to be super easy for you. And just in case if you need any support, we are just a click away. Write in the comment section of this video or join the iCreate program. What you have to do, you have to buy the theme from the video description link at themeforest.net. You can join the program, connect with a mentor, and start creating your wonderful website. We are here to help you, don't worry. And you will be able to create wonderful website using Movedo WordPress theme. In the next video, I'm coming with more solutions for your WordPress website. Till then, goodbye, keep watching, keep building. Thank you.